what going again, people? Alright, so just yesterday I do a live stream and I say, yo, Jamaica done. Jamaica done. And the reason why I said that was based on the fact that a whole heap of nonsense are going on Jamaica. Children no safe, whole heap of kidnapping are going on, too much killing, all of them things there. And that was what led me to say, yo, Jamaica done and have no more hope. Right? Well, after I do a live stream there, me get to realize I know me alone feel so. I know me alone see it that way there. Because based upon the feedback, a whole heap of people agree with me. Right? Now that video here where me I go make you take a listen to or watch. I know the first time I see it. I've seen it before. Probably about a couple of weeks ago or a couple of months ago I see that video before. But right now I feel like it's relevant. Listen up.
Good afternoon everyone. I hope you all have a blessed day and a full joy on a day to max. But me have something me just have to take off of my mind. Me just have to get it off. When you see Joe we are going to Jamaica. Jamaica no see say God give up on we. God give up on we because of slackness and the nastiness them we are going in Jamaica. The children them we are missing every day and them are send them we go turn prostitute, them are kill them are rape them. A big married man them we are give little girl them like $1,000 bill and a day with them in a them care back and a video them and a put them on Facebook. The church, God give up on uno cause pastor them a day with the church sister them. Pay fornication and adultery are going in a church. God give up on we Jamaica. You no see Joe to there. If I ever catch 2 days ago and watch on the news, you know take it so simple. I Joe Cassie. You know see your time hot. A couple months well now we no get no rain. All like fruits them a drop off a tree, mango them fuba. Me have one mango tree out there, one Julie mango tree, and the mango them so small. Last year the mango them did big. And now the mango them little. Them fuba. The breadfruit them drop off a tree. Every man na 6, 7, 8 breadfruit me a pick up on the tree and a son called small breadfruit. Then right before time and then fuba no matter how me water a tree them. Nothing now come to life. Coconut a drop off a tree me never see before. God give up on the church. Cause all the church sister them a do is advertise for KFC. And the pastor them are there with the church sister them and the church brother them are there with the church sister them. That's all pure fornication, adultery, no strong prayer warrior, no there again. When me small and I go to church, me see church I go on fasting. For all days, church they on fasting. And prayer, hard prayer. God give up on with Jamaica where we are go do what we know a plan for do. Mother want to know more church or come out on the 23rd of May. Half a tree. Mother want to know. We no see, no work, no day. How much a pitney a graduate from school with so much subject. How much a nurses? You hear say them qualification no good no more. Them have to go to college, go do higher. The market full up. No bag juice seller, no there, no want no more. Too much a bag juice seller, too much a peanut seller. If food now sell, we don't have no more trucker come collect with food. Nothing now sell. A businessman them come in to do business as soon as you see them start them business, then kidnap them and kill them. If people them afraid to come in, come to Jamaica back, come invest their money. If they come back home because they will build a house. By weekend when they go up on site to pay their workers, then kill them and take away money. Nobody can wear gold at Jamaica again unless your neck gone. If you wear gold chain, your neck gone. If you wear gold bracelet, your hand gone. God a give up on we. How long we get rain? Tell me. How long? Then there's something they used to go on ya. We need to go back down on we knee and be faithful to God. We turn we back upon Him. We start to adapt things where we never used to adapt in a Jamaica. Batman, lesbian, bowcat, all of them. They fool ya. We never know one of Jamaican. Jamaican I do it. You see them a me pen they sexy more than me. You see little girl them a me pen right now so sit there and a panty. Them a advertise where you expect to go up and them or go get rape. Nobody now cover themselves no more. All night church they now cover themselves no more. Everybody a advertise the KFC. Nobody now protect them body no more. Jamaica what no I do. Church, wake up. Stop the nastiness. Is the house of God, is the temple of prayer. And at this so he day nastiness day. He head I tail. Right head he day. And say begin from the head before you reach the tail. So I head it there. Church, wake up. God give up and he might give up. Wake up. As I always say, I love you all. And I love you all. Please, Facebook, I'm asking you all to help me to spread this message. Jamaica need prayer. Not only protest alone. We need prayer, real prayer. We need to wake up and see reality. Dangerous thing that come ahead of us, you know. If we not wake up, you know, and see where we are going, you know, dangerous thing are come ahead of us. A lot more is there to happen. Every day we not see it. We know open my eye and look. Wagwan. Alright.
Alright. Boy, she said bad thing is there to come, but I feel like Jamaica done gone bad already, you know. I feel like Jamaica done gone bad already. As me say in the live stream, I do Jamaica done. Jamaica done. Not no left for Jamaica no more. Based on the things that we see are going. And that is what me say yesterday, just yesterday in our live stream, right? And the reason why me did a vent in the live stream was the fact that a little 12-year-old did get raped, right? Another one, because it's not just one, a whole heap. You understand? And this is something that has been going on and still going on in Iraq, Jamaica, right? So yesterday when me did a vent, me I said, why is it that there is nothing in place to prevent these things from happening? And even when time the criminal them, the rapists them get catch, what is there to stop them from doing it again? Is it just go to jail and then get released and then come back to come do the same thing again? Right? Now, she said God turn him back on Jamaica. I may agree with her. I feel like God definitely turn him back on Jamaica. You see it? She said Jamaica need prayer. I feel like Jamaica need way more than just prayer, people. Jamaica needs way more than just prayer, in my opinion. Right? Yesterday I watched a video, and maybe I need to do a video upon that and I'm going to see it too. Yesterday somebody sent me a video of this young lady I walk and I talk on her phone, and a bike boy just ride up beside her and tell her to give her the phone, give him the phone, threaten her and tell her to give him the phone, and they could have see the fear in the young lady, right? But she just hand him the phone and then just ride off. Phone. Cell phone. People. Cell phone. At this of Jamaica there right now. Where they would have take your life for something as simple as a cell phone. Seeing? People, listen to me. If you agree with Mr. Jamaica done, talk to me down in the comment section. And tell me what you feel can be the solution for certain things where you see are go on. Alright? Watch ya. As me say, if you don't like it, hit the like button. Talk to me down below. Let me hear your views. My God, see it?
Unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.